Meaning of left-winger.
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 Left-winger. In politics, a left-winger generally refers to someone who supports policies and views that are considered progressive or socialist. This can include a desire for greater economic equality, stronger social safety nets, and more government regulation of businesses and industries. Generally, left-wing politicians and activists tend to prioritize social justice issues such as LGBTQ rights, racial equality, and environmental protection. The term can also be used more broadly to describe individuals or groups who hold liberal or progressive beliefs on a range of social and political issues.